Put the finishing touch on your Jeep Wrangler JL with enough clearance to easily run 35-inch by 12.5-inch tires with Rough Country's 3.5-inch adjustable control arm suspension lift. This easy-to-install kit offers a total transformation in the look of your Jeep while maintaining a smooth, factory-like ride. Instantly gain an aggressive look and commanding stance that will truly set your JL apart from the pack. Rough Country's 3.5-inch suspension lift is designed to enhance the factory components, allowing you to retain your factory JL coils to preserve the factory ride just as Jeep engineered it. This kit features sway bar links, bump stops, and a front adjustable forwards track bar, which helps keep your axles tame even under demanding off-road action and is easy to adjust on the vehicle. This kit also features a set of premium Rough Country shocks for an impressive on- and off-road ride quality. For increased ground clearance and better off-road capability, this kit features a set of Rough Country's adjustable lower control arms. These beefy, heavily fortified lower control arms fare far better on the trail, able to withstand rocks and hazards that the factory arms can't. Jeep JL models lifted 3.5 inches or taller are prone to driveshaft damage at full suspension droop. The factory shaft does not have adequate clearance once lifted and will cause damage to the Resepa joint if the driveshaft spins while the suspension is fully flexed or articulated. Rough Country's extended front CV drive shaft eliminates this issue, allowing you to flex your suspension with more peace of mind. Rough Country's Jeep JL 3.5-inch kit features an easy installation process with only light drilling required for an easy, no-fuss assembly, and includes a lifetime replacement warranty for the ultimate peace of mind. Visit roughcountry.com or an authorized Rough Country dealer to learn more.